Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing batteries or the USB cable to eliminate accidental inputs. Next, use a Torx T6/T8 or small Phillips plus a plastic pry tool to open the shell. You will feel clips release. Go slow to avoid snapping tabs. Once opened, place screws in labeled sections so reassembly is simple. This step exposes the internals you'll quiet: buttons, bumpers, and the speaker area. Make sure to maintain organization so you don't mix fasteners later. Once opened, inspect for loose parts and worn plastic contacts that cause clicks and rattles. You clean switches and springs with 90% isopropyl. This removes gunk that amplifies noise, and let it dry fully. Then apply thin felt pads or adhesive silicone washers on loose battery tabs, bumpers, or joystick housings to damp vibrations. Trim them to fit tightly. For moving plastic pivots, a whisper of dielectric grease reduces friction and ticking without gumming up electronics. You reassemble by carefully reseating foam and rubber cushions so buttons return correctly. Make sure each button sits in its slot before snapping the shell closed. Then reinstall screws in the labeled order to preserve chassis alignment and power up to test buttons, sticks, and triggers. Listen and press through full range of motion. If residual noise remains, swap the suspect part or add a second, thin damping layer. Troubleshooting tip: isolate the sound by gently holding sections to pinpoint which component vibrates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.